don't get paid if you sleeping, man. You don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been through. Realize I don't say I sent you. You getting mad, I'm sitting back, I'm fucked up, I'm getting trash. Gotta go watch 2 gold chains and I go real like you know. Man, I rap like it's loaded. I mean.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. On this video, I'm going to be talking about CryptoZoon once again. Guys, keep an eye out on this DApp. It is looking very interesting. I've been going pretty hard on this game for the past few days, and I hope it is here for the next week. And I say hope because we do not know what may happen. It could exit scam. The price could the coin Zoon can just dump. We do not know. Luckily, all this money that I have invested into CryptoZoon is all free money. You know, I sold some of my Ethereum NFTs and I converted it over to BNB, and so I purchased a rare 5 NFT. Now I'm making about $160 to $200 a day, and it is doing really good. So if you have not checked out my previous video, please go to the one before this one. It's about a 20-minute video. It goes into detail about CryptoZoon and everything, so make sure you check it out. If not, I'll leave it down below or somewhere around the screen. It's gonna pop up. But I just wanted to show you guys a strategy that has been working really good for me for the past few days. A lot of people are gonna say it does not work. It does the complete opposite. It wrecks them, so on and so forth. And I just want to say that every strategy is different. It really is. Some of you guys will get 10 losses in a row. Other guys will get 10 wins in a row. And if you keep changing your strategy, you're just not going to see improvement. If you see something that works, stick with it throughout the whole entire ride. Do not change it up because somebody says it works or whatever. But I'm going to show you what works for me. It's all up to you if you want to change your strategy, or if you want to stick with your own, or if some of you are curious about my strategy, then here you go. Alright, so CryptoZoon's price is looking really good at 3.6. It had a really good pump. I'm going to pull up on the PooCoin chart, which, by the way, I did not know that PooCoin actually showed your transactions whenever you buy or sell. I did not know that. So the reason why I got in is because I saw that it had hit the resistance and it broke through. So that's whenever I took my money and I got in, and I was like, look, this is a perfect time to buy. I sold my NFT, I bought BNB, and I bought Zoon. So here is my purchase right here, $1,730, and that was about 58,000. As you can see, I'm in profit, of course, right? So you see this channel that is just going upward. It is touching every single time above. So look at here, it is now, this wick got pretty close to this trending line right here. So now what I expect to happen, I'm not 100% guaranteeing you that this is going to happen, but I see something like this happening again throughout, you know, the next few days to a week or two, somewhere around that line. That's what I'm seeing, and I hope it does work, because I'm already really good in profit. So after I bought this $1,700, I bought my NFT and everything right here. I sold $52 right here, and the only reason why I sold is because of the fees that I will have to have in order for me to fight my monsters with and everything. So I sold the remaining amount because my NFT costed me 56,000 and some change. So I sold the remaining, and for me to have BNB to cover the fees and transactions. I think it's like 52 cents per fight, which, keep in mind, it's 5 fights every 4 hours, so 30 fights every day. I'm constantly doing every single 4 hours. I'm on the grind, claiming my tokens whenever I win. And this charting right here, it looks really good in my opinion. As you can see, it pumped all the way to like 5 cents, and this is just the beginning. If they continue doing good and everything, the transactions on the bottom right here show that there's literally, look at this, $10,000 buy right here, and small little sales, but $400 buy, $3,000 buy. You know, there's a demand for this, and I see this going even higher. No guarantees, no promises. It is all a risk. This is not financial advice or anything, but CryptoZoon looks really good. So if you decide to invest, make sure you don't go crazy. If you can afford $1,700 or $2,000 or whatever for a CryptoZoon, then go ahead, but you gotta keep in mind, I got in whenever it was like 20 million market cap, I think, somewhere around that road. The supply is 900 billion tokens, but it's constantly reducing itself because they are burning some as they go. You can buy it in their egg, and you can just differentiate, whatever you end up getting, whether it's a slime, a rare 2, 3, whatever. But what's working for me? Okay, so this, of course, I showed you guys in the last video that this is my monster right here, level 2. It's a turtle. It's a rare 5. Whenever I click fight monster, these are my rewards, which, hey, by the way, the rewards reduced since the last video that I uploaded. They went down a little bit, not too much, but I don't care. I don't mind it. It's all free money. I'm going to continue doing this. So I got 2 hours and 40 minutes. I'm going to set my alarm to go ahead and do that for me, and I'm going to wake up and do this fight so I can claim this. Yesterday's video, I can't even remember. I think I had like 3,000 or 4,000 tokens. Somewhere around there. But right now I've been fighting every single time, every 4 hours, all 5, and I now have 7,933, which comes out to be, at the current price, $285 for free. And this hasn't even been the full 48 hours. I still have like one more fight or so it's gonna be about 300 and it depends on how many fights I win, maybe like $310, somewhere around there. It's a rough guess, but look at my history. I've been doing 70% win, and that's the only one I have been doing. Every single time I fight every 4 hours, I'm winning 3 out of the 5 fights. Let me repeat that. Let me tell you first, actually, this is not guaranteed. This will be different. Some of you guys will lose all 5. Other of you guys will win all 5. I'm doing 70%, and so far, I have been winning 3 out of the 5 times consistently, every single fight. Only once have I won twice and lost 3 times. So 70% is what I am doing, and I'm getting about 220 to 260 per win, and I'm getting really good experience points on the go. I do not do 60, and I for sure do not do 20%. 80%, I don't even think it's 80% at all. It feels more like a 50-50, and some of you will agree with me whenever I say that. 70%, I think it's balanced. Let me know if you think it's balanced too, because man, a lot of people on the Telegram chat say it isn't, and that it's not, something like that. I forgot to mention also, a big part of my strategy that I do, and I don't know if this does anything at all, but I feel like it does under my point of view. Let's say I have a fight going on, right? I click fight and I win or lose, whatever. Well, usually some of you guys go straight and fight and keep the same fighter, the mummy, the monster. It's either the undead warrior, zombie, mummy, or skeleton, right? If you fight him again, you will probably lose again. That's a pattern I have noticed. So whenever I fight, whether I win or I lose, I reload the page a couple of times, anywhere from 3 to 5 times, and then I fight, I do it again, I win, lose, and I just refresh again and get I get a different fighter every single time, and I just click fight again, refresh multiple times, and fight again. So I think that has been a big role of why I've been winning pretty consistently. And now, like, I'm gonna say this again, I don't know if it plays any big role or anything, but I feel like there's something to it, okay? But every time you claim, there's a 5-day period wait, and every time you claim the reward early, there's like a 15% tax on it. So keep that in mind in case you do that. The prices of the NFTs are going up. Look at the marketplace. These rare 5s, whenever I got in, the bottom was 50,000, 54,000, somewhere around there. Now the bottom is 74,000. So if I decide to sell my turtle, let's say the bottom is 74 for my turtle, right? And I sell it, if I decide to sell it, I can get a profit of $2,664 plus what I have right now, which is about $300. So overall, to make things easy, I can sell everything right now for $3,000. And keep in mind, I got in way over here at $1,700. So I'm so far in profit. I'm $1,270 profit, somewhere around that road. And not to mention, if the price continues to just continue going up, the value of my NFT will go up also. My payouts will be more. But I feel like whenever the price of Zoon goes up, most likely they're going to be adjusting the reward estimate lower. So let's say the price of Zoon goes up a 10x. Let's say it's 30 cents. I'm predicting that the reward estimate is going to go down by 10x. So instead of getting 200, we're going to eventually start getting about 20, somewhere around that road, you know. But that's just my guess. Let me know what your strategy is. I'm curious to know and everything. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and knock out. Take care. I'm out. Peace.
You don't get paid if you sleep in, man. You don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been through.